Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by provisioning the minimal, usable foundation. Get credentials and billing settled because delayed billing causes delays later. Once authenticated, pick a nearby region and an instance type that balances cost and CPU. Choose T3, medium for general tasks. Create an IAM user with least privilege and generate keys, then store them in one encrypted vault. Make sure to tag resources for tracking. This saves time and money. Start the instance now so configuration can proceed while you gather the next items. Now you configure the instance and deploy the core services. Automation makes this repeatable. Use Terraform or a simple shell script to create networking, storage, and compute. This avoids human error. Once done, update the OS, install Docker and your runtime, and deploy your containerized app. Make sure to attach an IAM role for least privilege access, enable monitoring and logging, and configure firewall rules to limit ports. After deployment, test endpoints and run a load check to validate performance and auto-scaling triggers. Finish by validating functionality and optimizing cost. Run end-to-end tests and confirm your backups and snapshots complete successfully. Once done, set auto-scale policies and consider reserved or spot instances to lower spend while cleaning up idle resources. Make sure monitoring alerts are actionable and dashboards reflect key metrics. If things go wrong, the first troubleshooting steps are simple. Check application and system logs, confirm IAM permissions, and inspect security group or firewall rules. These three often reveal the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.